When it comes to real ID laws, the Secretary of State's office will oversee the implementation of the new real ID laws when they are put into place in Arkansas in May of next year. How would your office make that transition for voters specifically go as smoothly as possible?
So, county clerks are the ones who really carry out elections. The county clerks, the election commissioners, poll workers, and even though the title Chief Election Officer is on the Secretary of State, a lot of folks think, well, you have a big stick. You must really have, you must run elections. When really it's done at the county level. And the reason that's good is because not only am I for states' rights, and I'm against federalizing elections, anytime there's some federal law that comes out to tell states how they are to run their elections, I oppose, because which ones do you pick? What if it's a federal law for voter ID? What if it's one to go vote by mail? So I think they should stay out. Likewise, you have to be cautious. We try not to go into counties and with that same approach and tell them how to do it. And so that's definitely something I think will probably have to be handled legislatively to make sure that process is in place.
1 minute for Ms. Gorman.
I understand how elections work in Arkansas. We have 75 counties, and you work with 75 county clerks and their staff. I've been going all over our state, meeting with counties, meeting with our different communities, and I'm hearing things from our county officers that are talking about their employees receive death threats for showing up to administer elections. So I don't think that it just falls on that county clerk to really ensure the safety and integrity of election law and laws that come up or passed from our legislator. I think that you are, as the Chief Election Officer, responsible for acting as an effective administrator. And so you understand what that county needs, what resources they need to be successful in implementing what the legislator passes. That's what an effective administrator does, doesn't just pass it off to our county clerks. It's a coordinated effort.
Mr. Thurston, 30 seconds, sir.
So resources, I mean, just an example, when you talk about resources during the pandemic, which was the first time we'd ever had one during an election, and during the month of August prior to the presidential election, my office delivered PPE to all 75 counties. And of course, we have outreach teams and we're in constant communication with the counties. So supporting them, I haven't had any county clerk to say otherwise. And so 30 seconds sure goes by fast.
Ms. Gorman, you have another 30 seconds.
Again, this is a coordinated effort. We have 75 counties, and they're very different, so they're going to have different needs. And so it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It is an adaptive approach. And you can do this in a way, and you can be a resource partner to our counties.